Okay, before we watch Solo, we have to watch all the Star Wars movies in order, starting with the fourth.
Wait, we're not starting with the first?
No, the first came out fourth. The fourth came out first.
I'm confused.
Well, you see, hold on, let me leave YouTube. Okay, the first movie was A New Hope, which was part 4. The second movie was Empire Strikes Back, which was part 5. The third movie was Return of the Jedi, which was part 6. Okay, then the fourth movie was Phantom Menace, which was part 1. The fifth movie was Attack of the Clones, which was part 2. And then the sixth movie was Revenge of the Sith, which was part 3. Way after that, they made a part 7, which was Force Awakens. And then the 8th, which was Last Jedi. However, during all those, we had the holiday special, which came after part 4. Then after the third movie, we had the Ewok specials, which took place after part 6. Then between the 5th and the 6th movie, we had the Clone Wars, which came between part 2 and 3. And then after the 7th movie, we had Rouge One, which took place before part 4. And then finally, after 8, we had Solo, which takes place after part 3. Understand now?
Which was the one where they go back in time to save the whales? I love messing with them.